everyone, Zach Pickoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 21-2 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 21-2 work together. In the last video, I read over the 21-2 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 21-2 work together, where we will be journalizing and posting entries for accrued expenses. So the instructions say the accounting forms for this problem are in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. On December 31st of the current year, Powers Corporation has one note payable that is outstanding, a 90-day, 12% $2,000 note dated December 1st. Number 1. Plan the adjustment on a worksheet and label the adjustment H. Number 2. Journalize and post the adjusting entry for accrued interest expense on December 31st. Use page 14 of a general journal. Number 3. Journalize and post the closing entry for interest expense on page 14 of a general journal. Number 4. Journalize and post the January 1st reversing entry for accrued interest expense on page 15 of a general journal. And for number 5, journalize the payment of cash for the maturity value of the note on March 1st, check number 543. Use page 25 of a cash payments journal and post the amounts in the general columns to the general ledger. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 21-2 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 21-2 work together, in which we will be journalizing and posting entries for accrued expenses. Alright, so that is the end of the 21-2 work together. And before I end this video, I just wanted to say that we will not be starting Chapter 22 until sometime later next week. So I will be away for a few days, and I won't be back until sometime early next week. So once I get back from my trip, we will start right back up with Chapter 22. So just to clarify, we will not be starting Chapter 22 until sometime later next week. Okay? Thanks!